What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Hope you are out enjoying it. I know I will be. I'll be heading down to our property, doing some camping in the new tent with the family, shenanigans, etc. You'll see more on that next week. Brand new Nature Nest Orion Pro. Excited about it. But as you may have guessed, or maybe you haven't, I am sitting in a Wagon, Cart, etc. that you probably saw 6 or 8 months ago. Well, I think it's time for a follow-up. I was very complimentary of this when I first got it, built it, did all that with the kids. It was a blast. But maybe things have changed. Maybe they haven't. But let's dive into it. Let's look at the features. If you're new here and haven't seen the original video, we'll check out what this is, and then after that, we'll go into some of my thoughts on it and if I'd buy it again. So, first things first. This is the Avaar Go Anywhere cart, I believe is what it's called. They have 2 versions. They have like an Odyssey, and I think this is the Go Anywhere, structured more toward like camping, going through mud, multi-purpose utility cart. I'm 185, 190 pounds, sitting it just fine. Both kids are in it quite often. Pretty cool features on it. It's got a telescopic handle here. It's got cup holders. It folds fully flat. And again, I'm going over this because if you weren't here for the original, maybe you needed to understand what this is exactly. So it does fold flat. Which is pretty cool. It's not the lightest. Well, I'm gonna fall over backwards. It's not the lightest, but it's definitely not the heaviest by any means. So pretty compact in that regards. This back will also fold down. So let's say you're hauling something long. You could stick something long out the back, and then it has a strap that you could strap it down with. We've used that to haul like long chairs, like your bag chairs, places for like soccer games and such like that. Works really well for that. Has a removable liner or removable like pad in the bottom, and then the base of it is wire mesh, so pretty strong on that. And again, it is sturdy. I don't want to jump in it because it's on wheels, but I will jump in it. It is sturdy. I mean, there's no doubt about it. Zipper pockets on the inside that are waterproof and has nonsense in it because I have kids. And the cup holders just slide in with right into these grooves. So that's what it is. I've hauled coolers, I've hauled kids, I've hauled pumpkins, I've used it around the campsite to go move my 12-volt fridge to a different camp. Firewood. I've used it for all sorts of stuff. I've abused it without question. That being said, would I buy this again? Yeah, I absolutely would buy it again. Now, there are some things about it that I probably don't love. I love a lot of it. I think it's really sturdy. I think the sides are nice. I think it's great that you can wash it down, that the bottom has this, wire mesh that you can push or pull it. It's got big wheels. I love all that stuff, no doubt. If there's one thing that I don't like about it, and it is, you've noticed it probably a few times already, this handle has a ball detent in it, and to be honest, I don't even think mine has a ball left in it, but it does not keep itself up. It just falls down all the time. There's nothing to do there. Again, it almost seems like, and it very well could have lost the ball detent, but I mean, that's a shame. Is it a deal breaker for me? Absolutely not. The handle goes around 360, that's cool. And then the other thing, and it goes with this handle again, these cup holders, honestly, even with the handle extended, are kind of useless. They don't fit my kids' water bottles that good. They just don't. They don't always gyroscope as they should. I think it's a really cool feature. Maybe they're breaking in now where they actually are doing it better, because now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, wow, Joe, that works perfect. But in my past experience, it wasn't working that great. Besides that, I don't even think there's anything I'd change about it. Again, besides that, this hard plastic is really tough. I've had zero issues with it. There goes the handle. With it doing anything, you know, negative. Yeah, it scrapes up a little bit when you throw some stuff in there at times, but legitimately, it's been phenomenal. I think it would be great if you're like a tradesperson, you want to haul, you know, your pack outs or something around a job site. I don't know if you'd ever want to do it, but I think it would work well for that. You know, I use it at campsites. I use it around the house to haul stuff around. I've used it to haul my wife's flowers front to back, from the front yard to the backyard, stuff like that. It's easy. It's a cart. It works wonderful for that. I just wish that, and again, maybe it's just a defect in mine. I just wish that ball detent, more than anything, worked, because it's a booger with this constantly falling down, and I am convinced it's gonna break this coupler down here. But I haven't reached out to them to ask them about it, so maybe, you know, maybe if they do see the video or something, they'll be like, oh yeah, that's definitely a warrantable item. Maybe that's my bad for not reaching out, but overall, this thing's phenomenal. The handle issue would not sway me from buying it. I'd buy it over 10 times over again, especially over like some of these other, I'll say, more kid-oriented wagons that are out there. We have an Even Flow over there that I despise. It's also way more expensive. And there's some other ones out there that you guys know that are way more expensive. And I don't think they hold a candle to it. I've brought this to the zoo with the kids, hauled them around the zoo. People stop me and ask me about it. Guys, it's a really good product with one minor flaw, and I don't think it's a deal breaker. I'd like to see their Odyssey to see if it's any different with the handle or if they've, you know, made any changes here. But all things considered, this is a really darn good product. And I think for the money, it's well worth it. If you guys are looking for the link for this product, check it out down below. It'll be in the description. Other than that, I'm gonna go have a darn good weekend out camping with my family, and I'll see you next week for a wrap up of that, and have a good one.